So for this problem, patient has a 60 PD. Their distance for you is 2 EP. Their near for you is 3 XP. And we want to know their foria at 50 centimeters while wearing plus 150 glasses. So first, circle ortho line, then 60 divided by 4 to get the convergence demand. That's 15. So 15. Okay, the DLP is 2 EP, so that's to the left. 2 EP. And then the NLP is 3 XP, so that's to the right. So right here, 3 XP. Okay. Okay, so now we need to find the amount converged. So two ways to do it. This 3 XP means it's 3 less than 15. So that means it's 12 prism diopters. So the patient starts at 2 EP, and so they land at 12. From ortho to 12 is 12, but if they get a 2 head start with their 2 EP, 2 EP to 12 is 10. Another way of getting it is convergence demand minus everything that's between the two lines plus everything that's outside of the two lines. In this case, the 3 XP is between the two lines and the 2 EP is between the two lines. So we're going to subtract both. So 15 minus 3 minus 2 equals 10. So we ended up with the same number. The total amount that converged is 10. And then, so then we can do 10 divided by 2.5 equals 4. So 4 over 1 is our ACA. So if 4 over 1 is our ACA, for every prism diopter that the patient accommodates, they'll converge 4 prism diopters. Okay, so now we're working at 50 centimeters. So I'm going to erase everything to do with 40 centimeters. So the convergence demand, the foria, I'm going to erase all of this. Okay, so now we should find a new convergence demand because we're working at 50 centimeters. So we're going to do 60 divided by 1/10 of the working distance, which is 5. And so that's 60 divided by 5 is 12. All right. And so now normally we know that 50 centimeters is equal to 2 diopters. 100 divided by 50 equals 2 diopters. And so we usually multiply the 2 diopters by the ACA to see how much the patient converged. But the patient is wearing plus 150 glasses. So if they're looking at something that has an accommodative demand of 2 diopters, but they're wearing plus 150 glasses, plus 150 of those 2 diopters is taken care of by the glasses. So the patient themselves only accommodates 0.50 diopters. So in this case, we're not going to multiply 2 by the ACA. We're going to multiply 0.50 by the ACA, which is 4 over 1, equals 2. So what that means is that from the 2 EP, the patient converges only 2 prism diopters more. And so from 2 EP, so they got a 2 head start from ortho, they converge 2 more, so they land at 4. And so the difference between 12 and 4 is 8. And so the patient's foria, since the 4 is to the right of the 12, meaning they converged 8 prism diopters less than they were supposed to, the patient is 8 XP.